Hello, it is Miss Heather here at Conservatory of the Ozarks with Vince in his
Yes.
piano lesson. So Vince has been having a little bit of arm pain on his song.
Right here in the forearm.
So I'm going to show a few stretches.
Whoa!
hopefully this will show that we can do at home. So we just did this one, flat palms, straight wrists, and you just bend forward like this. Do you want to try this one again, Vince?
Yeah.
I think it'll show up better.
So like that.
And you should feel, do you feel the stretch in your arms?
Yeah, I feel it right here.
Then we can just take our palms and flip them over like this. So we don't want that, but actually
I can't do
this,
that. I only
and
have to
straight
do that.
elbow.
I can't do that very well. I've never been able to.
It is kind of tricky. Let's see. Let me see you try it. So if you don't mind if I touch you, where does it hurt?
It just hurts right in there. Your wrist.
Can you bend your wrist?
Not
and
very
then
well.
Put this here.
Like that?
Now can you gently straighten? Oh, does it really hurt? Wow,
It
that's
hurts
interesting
really.
that hurts
It
so
hurts. That hurts.
So maybe just try to do it for like a second each day, just real quick, because it shouldn't hurt that bad. So if you can just gently do it real quick.
I can do it easy like that. I can do that easily.
Then
I
we
just
take
can't do it like this.
and flip our hands this way so the fingers are
Oh, you
pointing
mean like
towards.
this, right?
Yeah. But now flip your hands this way so your fingers are pointing towards you. And again, keep your if you're feeling it that much, you probably need to be doing these before you practice every day. This one I feel here.
Yeah, I feel it here as well.
And then same thing, we can then flip the palms so they're upside down, but fingers facing towards us. So it's 4 different ways of stretching.
Oh, I can do that easily. I can do that.
That's interesting, huh? And then here's one more quick one.
Okay.
I absolutely love the stretch for singing too. So you take the hand here, put it on your ear, and we'll gently pull up and over. So that's the first step if you want to try that.
So like here,
Yep.
pull over.
Up and over. Take this hand and keep your wrist flexed like this, and keep your elbow straight and draw little circles. And then
like that, right?
Yep, and then raise your hand up as you're drawing the circles till you're
It's
way
like painting.
high. Yeah. And see how your arm's forward? Try to keep your arm out to the side.
Oh,
yeah,
like
you're all
this?
the way. Yep, and then we can draw bigger circles.
Whoa.
You should really feel this if you haven't done it before.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I
And
can
then
feel that.
Opposite direction.
Okay.
So turn your circles opposite. Small ones going up,
So like
and then try bigger ones.
I can really feel it like right in here. I feel it more here.
Yep.
And I can really feel it in the neck too when I pull
That's interesting. I never feel it here. I always feel it like on the top.
I feel it in my wrist sometimes too.
Huh.
Or my hand right here. I don't know why. Whenever I'm doing the circle like that, I really feel it in the wrist.
Oh.
I don't know.
Okay, and then we'll switch to the other side.
So like correct like that.
Yep.
I'm trying not to bump you here.
I know.
So like
You've got long arms.
Yeah, I know.
Compared to a lot of my students. Make room for Vince's arms.
Yeah, I have long arms. Look at this.
Wow.
That's how long my arms are.
Those are really long arms, Vince.
Not even able to see how long they are. They're long. But
That's lucky for you. You can reach the whole piano easily.
yeah, I can go right here and just do that.
And then we switch to the opposite direction circle, like this. And this stretches your neck, which also can get tense while you're playing. So
Yeah, my back gets really tense sometimes.
oh.
I don't know if there are any stretches for the back.
Oh yeah, there are. There are. When you're sitting on the bench, do you get tension in your back?
Yeah, right here.
So here's a couple we can do. These stretch the neck and the back. You can take and place your fingers, look down, and just put some gentle pressure to nod your head forward with your hands. And we can inhale and exhale, and as we exhale, try to let the head nod forward more.
Ooh. Yeah, I need that.
You should feel it all the way down your spine, stretching.
Yeah, I can feel that.
And then I also love the ragdoll exercise. We bend over. This is going to be hard to film. But you bend over in half like
Here.
this. Oh, yeah, you can hold it if you want. And these sleeves don't really let me go that far. But you don't really have to touch your toes. Just like bend over in half like a ragdoll. And then we flop around like a ragdoll, like from side.
I have done that one before.
To side. You want to give it a try, and you should feel like on your sides.
I usually feel like right here.
And it should in your back as well. And then we just gently uncurl the spine so we slowly come back up to standing. Do you want to give it a try?
Sure.
And then eventually
So bend down like this, correct?
Yep.
And then like this?
Yep. And then eventually we should be all the way where the spine is curled backwards.
Oh, there goes my back. Oh, that felt good. Yeah, my back finally decided to go. Decided to let that tension go.
Oh, good. Well, so,
Oh,
that was just like
little
6
tutorial.
minutes. So you can do, 3 to 5 minutes of stretching before you practice, and it should make a
big
little difference. Or a big difference. If you do it every day, it'll make a big
Depending on
difference.
how good you are at it.
Yes.
All right.
Thumbs up for stretching.
Yes. Stretching helps.
Yes.
Stretching helps.